Hi everybody, welcome back to Time to Go. Bob here. Really appreciate you stopping by the channel today. So today guys, we've got a bit of a mystery unboxing to do. Last week, I believe it was on Thursday, I got an email from Massdrop saying that they had on sale the Mako 3, and I'd never heard anything about this new diver from Orient. Now, I did a little bit of digging and I managed to find some on eBay, and this came in yesterday, so we're going to be doing an unboxing of the watch. I looked online to get some details on the watch, and there's some confusion. Some people are calling it the Mako 3, some people are calling it the Ray 3, others are saying that Orient just hasn't come up with a name yet. As far as Orient's site goes, there is no information on the watch, so again, this is a bit of a mystery. We're going to call it the Mako 3 for today, but hopefully between now and the time I do the full review, there's a little bit more information out there on the watch. So let's spin the camera around and we will unbox the Orient. Alright guys, so I've had quite a few Orients, most of them on the channel. I've had some Rays, some Makos, and of course the Nami. And one thing I noticed right away that's different is the box shape. This is a rectangular box versus the normal square boxes you get, so that's a little bit different before we even get into this watch. So let me just open it up here and see what we have. So maybe there is a regular square box inside of here, and yes, there is actually. Yep, just the typical Orient box. Alright, so here it is. So there was a few versions of this available. I ended up getting this burgundy one. There were a gold, one with a gold bezel. I think it might have had a gold crown as well. There's a green one. There's the usual blue. There's the black. Quite a few different models, but again, it's just such a mystery as to what exactly this watch is. Like, I'm actually wearing the Mako 2, and you can see that this is the one that has the numerals at the 6, 9, and 12. So this to me would be closer to the Ray, but it's actually quite a different design. The bezel action is totally different. We usually have that pretty stiff bezel action on the Rays and Makos, and this one's nice and smooth. I really like the look of it, and the rubber strap is a lot nicer than the ones that I've seen in the past from Orient. So it's not a bad looking watch. Again, it's just such a huge mystery. Some people are saying this is mineral, some people are saying sapphire, and just a mixed bag of information on this watch. So I don't have a lot to say other than the fact that it's a really great looking watch. I will give you guys a quick wrist shot before I let you go, and hopefully if anybody has information on this model or any of these models, you can leave that in the comments below. So let me just pop it on here. Alright, and here it is. Again, I have a 7 1/4 inch wrist. The strap again is much more comfortable, a much better quality than I've seen from the Ray and Mako line in the past. We're also missing that nice little dolphin logo there, which is a little bit gaudy, so I kind of like that. It's a better looking strap. As far as differences with the watch, just at kind of a quick glance, is the case. I can see that the lines are a lot sharper on this case versus my Mako 2, and the finish work looks a little bit better as well. The bezel is also completely different, so I can't imagine them going with the name Mako 3 on this. With the lack of the numerals at the 6, 9, and 12, it's a little bit closer to the Ray to me, but to me it's its own animal, and I'm sure they're going to come up with an original, unique name for the watch. Again, I wish I had more information for you guys today. I'll do my best to collect as much information as I can before I do the full review. If anybody has any information on the watch or maybe has picked one up, feel free to comment in the comment section below and give these a Google. There's some really neat color options, and they come both on bracelet and rubber. So that's it for today, guys. Just a really quick one. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.